Good morning, everyone. Today again we will do some of the topics related to chapter number 4, rational numbers. So as you all know children, exercise 4B is going on where we have studied the comparison of rational numbers. Still two topics are left. So let's do these topics today. So I have written the topics over here, representation on number line. Today we will learn how can we represent a rational number on number line. Children, we have learned integers on number line in our previous class, even in the chapter number 1 also. How can we represent the integer number or an integer on number line? Similarly, we can represent the rational number also on number line. So today we will learn that. The second topic, rational numbers in between. Let me share one thing. If two numbers are given to us and it is asking how many rational numbers are exist there, so it is infinite rational number. But sometimes the question can be like that, find any 6, find any 8. So how can we find those rational number that is exist between? Okay, so the second topic, this also we will learn. So let's start today's class. So from exercise 4B only, I will explain you first. The first topic, representation of rational number on number line. How can we represent a given number on number line? So let me share some basic points first of all. Whenever you are making a number line, you have to use pencil, a sharp pencil, scale. Keep your stationery properly along with you, pencil, eraser, sharpener and scale. Always draw the line on the ready-made line. Ready-made line means the line which is already formed in the notebook. On that, you will not make the number line like that. These are the line and in between. No, these are the ready-made lines, so trace over it. Okay, like this, not in between. Fine. So you have to make the number line on the ready-made. Both side arrows, because it can extend on both sides. It's a line, not a line segment. So arrow is compulsory. It shows that there is no end of the line. Now how can we represent that? For that, the first point, when you are taking the distances, you have to set off the equal distance on both sides, whether in right or left. Like suppose this is 0. Okay, O point, this is showing the 0. Now, if I am taking 1 centimeter distance, so it will be 1 only by measuring by the scale only. Like on the scale, we see the 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to put on scale and take equal gap. Equal gap, it can be of 1 centimeter, it can be of 2 centimeter. It's according to your choice, but you have to set off equal. Suppose I want to take of 2 centimeter. So the marks like that only. I think it's clear. So now 0. After this, I am taking 1, 2, 3. So this gap must be equal. Remember this. The second thing, then you have to check the rational number which is given to us. It is negative rational number or positive rational number. Whether it is proper, improper or mixed. So let's start with the questions. So first I am telling you the second part, which is a proper rational number. Okay, look at it very carefully. The second part of question number 1, it is 2 by 7. Everyone knows it is proper fraction. Proper fraction always lies between 0 and 1. Do you know the value when you divide 2 by 7, it is 0 point something. So the value is greater than 0 but less than 1. So it shows that the number line which we have to make, it will be between 0 and 1. So suppose I have taken this 0. Now, after marking the another place, just see, children, one more thing, I am visualizing the number line over here, because if I am taking like this 1, 2, 3, and I know it is adjust between this 0 and 1. So it's too typical for me to draw that. You can, because between 0 and 1 there are how many lines? 10. This is 5, 6, 7, 9 and 10. Okay. So we want 2 by 7. So where it will be? We want the 7 equal parts between 0 and 1 and there are 10. Agree? So how we have to do that portion? That's why I'm visualizing the number line. Visualizing means I'm not making the full number line. I am making only the part 0, 1. So I have taken 0 here and look at this denominator. It is 7. So 1. 1 means 7 by 7 because it gives us 1. So I have to do 7 equal parts. What you have to do, you have to write 0 and look at this denominator, how many equal parts we have to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have taken this as 1. 1 shows me 7 by 7. Agree? Because 7 by 7 give me 1. Now, if it is 7 by 7, this is 6 by 7. Okay, let me start from here. 0 can be as 0 by 7. It will give me the value 0 only. 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7 and this is 7 upon 7. So I think the thing is clear. Do we get 2 by 7? Where? This one. So this is the number how we can represent on number line. Now I told you that there are infinite rational number lines. So you can see infinite rational number because suppose if I am doing 20 equal parts, so it will give me more rational number exist between them. So it depends what is the denominator. You have to do those parts equal and then find out your answer. I hope the first number line is clear when the positive rational number is given as proper. Okay. Now I'm telling you the negative. How can we find for negative? So like the seventh part of this, let me write here only. Seventh part, it is children negative 3 by 4. So you can say negative. So if negative is there, it will exist between 0 and minus 1 because negative. So you understand? We have to move on. We have to take 0 this side. In the previous question, we have taken the 0 this side and we move on the right side. Now from 0 to we have to move on left hand side. If you remember the integer number line. So minus 1, it means this, now the number will be exist between 0 and minus 1. So I am visualizing this part. So 0, now how much is the denominator? 4. So let's make it 4 equal part. So this fourth part will give me minus 1. Because I can write it as minus 4 upon 4. When I cancel out, I got the minus 1. I hope that is clear. So 0. It is 0 upon 4. Now we are moving on left. So minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 4, minus 3 by 4 and this is minus 4 by 4 which can be written as minus 1. So do we get minus 3 by 4? Yes. So in this way we can show the rational number on the number line. Now I'm telling you when the improper fraction is given, and improper and mixed are same because improper you need to convert in mixed first of all. Let's see how. Both I'm telling you positive and negative. Like this fifth part I'm telling you 37 by 8. Let's do it how to convert it into mix. So for mix everyone knows we have to divide it by 8. 8 fours are 42 and it will give remainder as 5. So how can it be written? 4, 5 by 8. Or we can say 4 plus 5 by 8. Agree? So now children see 4. Look at this whole number. It will tell us that between which two number the number exists. It shows that 37 by 8 is greater than 4. Because 4 plus something we are doing. So it is greater than 4. It means 4 plus proper. So between 4 and 5 it will exist. So the number line when we make, we have to make between 4 and 5. So I have to write 4 here and 5 will be there. Okay. Now this whole number tell us कि हमारी जो number line है वो कौन से दो number के बीच में होगी. 4 and 5, the next one. And now see this proper fraction. What is the denominator? 8. So we have to do 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This 8th part tell me what? I have to write it as 4, 5 by 8 or I can do what I can do. Sorry. When I am doing 8th equal part. Okay, let me share. Suppose this is 4. So how we have to write it as? 4 is whole number and this is 0 by 8. 0 by 8 I am doing. 8 4s are 32 plus 0. 32 by 8 only. Agree? It is 32 by 8. Because if you are making the number line like that 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8. So it is out of your page. So we have to magnifying our number line. We have to show only that portion which we need. So 4 can be written as 32 by 8. Agree? Because when we cancel, we'll get 4. So if it is 32 by 8, this is 33 by 8, 34 by 8, 35 by 8, 36 by 8, 37 by 8, 39 by 8, and 40. 40 by 8. Sorry, I have done extra. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, I forgot to write 38, 39, and this is 40 by 8. So as I told that we have to do 8 equal parts. So when we are doing 8 equal parts, when 40 come, 8 fives are, we want the fives are, so we have done the 8 equal part. So this give us 40 by 8. Because when we cancel out, it will give me 8 fives are 40. So I can write it as this 8th part as 5. Because the number line exists between 4 and 5 when we are doing its 8 equal parts. So we want the 37 by 8. It is 37 by 8. Or in mixed fraction, if we write, it is 4, 5 by 8. Look, after 4, this is the 5th part. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th part. So I hope you understand that how to represent the rational number on number line. So please do very carefully. I am sharing one question which is negative rational number but in improper condition. So let's see that portion also. It is question number 1. So let's do still part. Negative 43 by 9. So when we convert into mix, 9 fours are 36 and 7 by 9. This negative sign is for both. Remember children. So when we write it as minus 4 and this is plus 7 by 9. Okay, let me expand this. Look, what we have done, negative is common. Okay, so when we convert it into mix, it will give me 4 7 by 9. Now 4 7 by 9 can be written as 4 plus 7 by 9. Now solve it further, this negative for both. So I can write negative 4 minus plus minus 7 by 9. So this number, I can write like this also. So this is negative proper fraction and this is negative rational number. So the value exists between minus 4 and minus 5. Because negative is given, so we have to take with negative sign. In the previous question, it was 4 and 5 positive. Here is negative, so we have to take negative 4 and negative 5. So let's make the number line. But remember children, negative 4 will be here and negative 5 will be this side. So you have to move on left. Okay, start from here. Look at this denominator, it's 9. So let's make the 9 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This ninth part give me minus 5. Okay, because 9 minus 5 when it give me. Then I'm writing minus 45 by 9 because 9 5s are 45. Okay. So let's see. 9 4s are 36. We are starting 9 4s are 36. So if it is 36, then it will be 37 by 9 with negative sign, remember. Negative 38 by 9, negative 39 by 9, negative 40 by 9, negative 41, negative 42, negative 43, and negative 44 by 9. This is negative 45 by 9, which give me minus 5. So where is negative 43 by 9? This one. So I hope it's clear to everyone how to represent the rational number on number lines. So do a lot of practice. Now let's move on next topic, which is how to find the rational numbers in between. So I'm sharing two questions with you of this time. Children, in this you have to make the rational number which is given to us with equal denominator. If the denominators are not equal, you have to make them equal. But sometimes it happens the denominators are equal, but still we are not getting the sufficient, the desired number which we want. Like it is asking for 5, but it is not exist. So we have to increase that number by multiplying with a bigger number. So let's see how to solve that. So I'm sharing an example with you. Okay, let's do question only. From exercise 4B, it's question number 8. Find 5 rational numbers between. How many rational numbers? 5. Between minus 3 and minus 2. Do you think that minus 3 and minus 2 is a rational number? Yes. Every integer is a rational number and these are integers. Now, let's see. What is their denominator? Negative 3 by 1 and this is negative 2 by 1. So, can these be written like that only? We want 5 rational number. Now, use the concept of equivalent rational number. So, you can take any number for multiplication. So, generally, we take 5, 10, 15 or 2, 4, 6, which makes our calculation easy. So, suppose I am taking 5. Okay. Or let's take 10 only. Because why I'm taking 10, okay, let me share this also with you. Suppose I'm taking 5. So, both numerator and denominator I have to take 5. So, when we multiply, it will give me minus 15. 5 one time, 5. This is also by 5 because we want to make the denominator same. So, minus 10 by 5. So, now it shows the rational number exists between those. So, denominator are same. So, minus 15 by 5 and minus 10 by 5. So, what are the rational number exist between? Minus 14, minus 13 by 5, minus 12 by 5, minus 11 by 5. So, how many we get? We will not include these. We will not include these because these are a question. So, how many we get? Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many we want? 5. So, we have to take a bigger number. Okay. That bigger number can be more than 5. It can be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to just check. So, I can do. Or you can expand this also. Okay. So, I am writing again. How can we increase? There is no need to rub it. We got this. But we think that there are only 4. So, let's do one thing. Let it be multiplied with 2. By this answer can be multiplied by 2. So, it will give me minus 30. 5 2 times 10. This also by 2. So, 20 by 10. Minus 20 by 10. So, now between minus 30 and minus 20. So, can I write? So, you have to write any 5 rational number, children. Okay, remember. Because between minus 30 and minus 20, there are minus 29, minus 28. Please write in fraction form. You are writing the rational number. You will not write minus 28. What I am saying, it is minus 29 by 10, minus 28 by 10, negative 27 by 10, negative 26 by 10, negative 25 by 10, negative 24 by 10, negative 23 by 10, negative 22 by 10, and negative 21 by 10. So there are so many. Okay. But how many we have to write? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to write only 5. So I am taking any 5 out of this. Any 5, suppose I have taken this. First 29, 28, 27. Then I think I have to take minus 23. Then I think I have to take minus 22. Okay, or I can take minus 21. So out of those 9, I can write any 5 rational number. Now answer can be different, children, because it's up to you that by which number you are multiplying. Suppose any student is multiplying by 3, this one. So their answer will be different. So don't be panic, because answer can be different in this type of question. But the procedure must be correct. Okay. Now one more question of this type. The same procedure. Question number 10 I am telling you. Find 5 rational numbers between negative 3 by 5 and negative 1 by 2. So negative 3 by 5, it is already in fraction form in rational number. 5 you want to find. So let it be multiplied directly with 10 to make our question calculation easy. Look, 5 10 ja 50. Okay. One more thing, children. Sometimes it happen you are not able to see, you are not able to think that by which number we have to multiply. So in that condition, take the LCM of denominator. The LCM of 5 and 2, what it will be? 10. Okay. So our purpose is to make its denominator 10. आपको इसके डिनोमिनेटर को 10 बनाना है. So 5 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम? By 2 only. So minus 6 by 10. And to make it, there is 2. How to make it 10? Multiplying with 5. So 2 5s are give us 10 and minus 5. That is denominator. So first take out the LCM of the denominators, then make their denominators equal to the LCM. So for that you think by which number we have to multiply. Now between minus 6 and minus 5 there is no number exist. Minus 5 minus 6 continuously. We want 5. So let us multiply with bigger number. I am taking 5. I think it's sufficient. Okay, let's take bigger number. 6 I am taking. 6 6 is 36 and 10 6 is 60. This also by 6. 60 and this is 30. So between minus 36, look, its denominator are same 60. So between minus 36 and minus 30, 5 rational numbers we have to write. So let's write minus 35 by 60, minus 34 by 60, negative 33 by 60, negative 32 by 60, and negative 31 by 60 are the answer. And if you want, children, you can write in lowest form also. Like if any number which is cancel out of this. Like this I can cancel out. 5 7 ja, 5 12 ja. This also by 2, 17 ja and 30. This by 3 I can cancel out. 4 8 ja and 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. This is not cancelled. So what can we? This is also answer. You can leave your answer here only, or you can write in short form also. Negative 7 by 12, negative 17 by 30, negative 11 by 20, negative 8 by 15, negative 31 by 60. These are the 5 rational number which exist between negative 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 2. With this, your exercise 4B is completed. In our next video, we will learn another topic. So till there, do a lot of practice. Thank you and have a nice day.